What I have right here is something that was sent for my review, and it is a pool cleaning device. This is a pump literally at your fingertips because you can move a lot of water. 18 and some gallons per minute will go and pass through here. And the cool thing is anything else, not just water, all the debris, the leaves, anything that you have in your pool that needs to get clean will go through here and get stopped by this filter. Super simple to understand because look at this. You just open it up and then you can clean the basin, clean the filter out, and then go at it again once you put it back on, just like that. And, oh, I'm not locked in. Now I will be locked in because I have to, there we go, boom, locked in. As soon as you hear that click, you're in, and there you go. You've got one button. The functions are super simple. That one button will literally just suck everything out of that pool. And the cool thing with this is that it does do multiple functions because I just show you that you can actually have it like that, handheld, probably do your stairs and things like that on your pool. But you can also attach this puppy, and this thing is really cool because look at the size. You'll literally brush the corners, brush the walls, get all that gunk out, and brush the bottom as well. It's got some nice little rollers to make it easy for you to just glide through the bottom of that pool and still suck everything in because it will be attached right there, and you will literally lock it into place just like, we'll put it on the right side up. There we go. So it did take a little bit of power to actually push it in. It doesn't have any clips on the sides. It literally just shove it in, and then you'll have to, let's see how easy it is to. So it seems a little bit easier to pull out. See, it does come out, and I'm hoping when it's wet, and you will see this in the B-roll because we are trying it in a pool, that suction and all that, it's going to get a little easier because this is like dry plastic on dry plastic. Fingers crossed. But yes, it is removable, as you can see. And once it's on, it actually looks like a proper vacuum and will brush as it's sucking up that debris, which is really nice. Now on the other end, I thought it was really nice that they actually added this little kind of like manual skimmer because this vacuum is only good for the bottom. So bottom of, the surface, bottom of the pool, bottom of the stairs, at the bottom of the pool. On the surface side of the water where the debris might just be floating around, you do have this. They do provide you with a little one. And the cool thing with this is that this is dual action, meaning I take this off and I can repurpose it right here. So if my pool is a little bit, deeper, obviously like most pools would be, there's a couple of things here. I need to add this little one here, and I'm going to clip it just like that. That clips in, and then I clip this one here, and it's clipped and ready for action. I've got a really nice handle right here, and it is adjustable so I can extend it and bring it in. But look at that. I am really reaching, obviously I'd be reaching the bottom this way, but definitely works really, really nice for that. And as you can see in the B-roll, it is easy to just maneuver around the pool as well. As far as charging goes, it does come with the charger right here. It has a proprietary charge that is, I'm assuming, magnetized just like that. Of course, it is magnet. So you charge it like that. Once it is fully charged, you get 80 minutes of usage for this. Super cool. And with all of the different kind of apparatuses that it comes with, you do have more than one spot in your pool that you can actually clean. So yeah, definitely a fan. And it also comes in red. Pretty cool.